Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Nokia 110 Dual SIM mobile phone. The Nokia 110 mobile phone is available in 3 colors, blue, pink, and black. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The Nokia 110 Dual SIM phone comes with a 1.77-inch display. The Nokia 110 mobile phone comes with a battery that lets you chat for hours on a single charge. And it lasts even longer when you're not using it. The Nokia 110 also comes with basic mobile phone features such as an alarm and flashlight. This quick guide shows you how to use the Nokia 110 mobile phone and its important functions. And it contains easy to understand illustrations. Nokia 110 contains 2 copies of the quick guide, one in Arabic and another in English. And it provides essential information on how to properly and effectively use this phone, with step-by-step instructions. You will need these earphones that you can plug into the headset connector on your phone with the cable to act as an antenna to play the FM radio. And you can also use these earphones to listen to your MP3 music files with the music player and to talk. This removable battery lets you chat for hours on a single charge, about 14 hours of talk time. And it lasts even longer when you're not using it, with about 18.5 days of standby time. You will need to put your fingernail in the small slot at the bottom of the phone and lift and remove the cover to install the removable battery. Having a battery that can be removed has many benefits. You can quickly swap in a fully charged replacement battery. That is super helpful when you are, for example, on long trips away. This charger has an input AC of 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz, and 0.1 ampere. This charger comes with a micro USB cable of about 1 meter long. It's neither too long nor too short. And it is ideal for charging through a wall charger. Guys, let's now charge the Nokia 110. The phone, with its light weight of about 75 grams and compact size, fits your pocket and palm. Therefore, it is easy to carry the phone along with you. The phone has dimensions of 115.2 by 49.9 by 14.3 millimeters. And it has only a rear camera QVGA with low quality. The Nokia 110 is a budget smartphone without any form of internet connectivity on board. The phone has an internal memory of 4 GB and expandable storage of up to 32 GB. Besides the rear camera, other features of the feature phone include a voice recorder, calendar, calculator, games, snake game, and a flashlight. Nokia 110 comes with a built-in torch to help you light the way. Overall, it's an affordable, decent feature phone. It has a great battery life, and the phone charges from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. However, it comes without any form of internet connectivity or Bluetooth.